this video, we will show you how the Geneious de novo assembler can create circular contigs for more accurate assembly of circular genomes like mitochondria, chloroplasts, and bacterial genomes. To create a circular de novo assembly, select your reads, then choose De novo Assembly under the Align Assemble button. Expand the Advanced options and check the Circularize Contigs option. The assembler will then create a circular contig if there is a pair of reads on the end of each contig which match. You can quickly see whether your contig is linear or circular by checking the topology column. And in a circular contig, you will see some reads marked with arrows. These are reads which span across the origin and link back around to the other end of the assembly. The consensus sequence generated from this contig is also circular. Visit our Resource Centre for more hands-on exercises and tutorials.